Did you know that nearly half of all adults want to lose weight? It's a common goal shared by millions around the world. That's right, millions of people are searching for a solution. They hit the gyms, run in parks, and try countless diets. Losing weight can be tough. The struggle is real, and it can be disheartening to see little to no progress despite your efforts. It's easy to get stuck in a rut. You might feel like giving up, thinking that nothing will work. But there is hope. I have good news. You can lose weight quickly and easily. Imagine fitting into those smaller clothes and feeling great about yourself. You just need the right plan. A plan that is simple, effective, and sustainable. The Oat Bran and Banana Miracle Diet is that plan. This diet combines the power of oat bran and bananas to help you shed those extra pounds. This diet is changing lives. People are seeing real results, and you can too. It can change your life too. Imagine the joy of achieving your weight loss goals and celebrating with friends. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey? Let's go. Take that first step today and embrace a healthier, happier you. The Oat Bran and Banana Miracle Diet is a simple, effective way to lose weight fast. This diet has been gaining popularity due to its simplicity and effectiveness. Imagine starting your day with a delicious bowl of oat bran and bananas, a combination that not only tastes great but also helps you shed those extra pounds. This diet is based on two amazing foods, oat bran and bananas. Oat bran is packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full longer. Bananas, on the other hand, are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, providing you with the energy you need to power through your day. These foods work together to help you feel full and satisfied. The fiber in oat bran expands in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness, while the natural sugars in bananas give you a quick energy boost without the crash that comes from processed sugars. This diet is easy to follow. No calorie counting, no complicated recipes. You can prepare a variety of meals using these two ingredients, from smoothies to pancakes, making it easy to stick to the diet without getting bored. Just simple, delicious meals that will help you reach your goals. Whether you're looking to lose a few pounds or make a significant lifestyle change, the Oat Bran and Banana Miracle Diet can help you get there. Plus, it's budget-friendly, so you won't have to break the bank to eat healthily. You can see results in just a few days. Many people have reported noticeable changes in their weight and energy levels within the first week of starting this diet. The combination of oat bran and bananas helps to kickstart your metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. This diet is safe and healthy. Nutritionists and doctors alike recommend it for its balanced approach to weight loss. Unlike fad diets that can be harmful, the Oat Bran and Banana Miracle Diet provides your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to lose weight and improve their health. So why wait? Start your journey to a healthier, happier you with the Oat Bran and Banana Miracle Diet today. You'll not only look better but feel better too, with more energy and vitality to enjoy life to the fullest. Many diets fail. They promise quick results, but they are hard to follow. People give up. The Oat Bran and Banana Miracle Diet is different. This diet is easy to stick with. You will see real results. Oat bran and bananas are filling foods. You won't feel hungry on this diet. You will have more energy. This diet is also affordable. You can find oat bran and bananas at any grocery store. Section 4. The Power Duo. Oat Bran and Bananas. Oat bran is a superfood. It's full of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps you feel full, reducing the urge to snack between meals. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight. It also helps your digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being. Bananas are also good for you. They are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. They are full of potassium, a vital mineral that supports various bodily functions. Potassium is important for muscle function, helping to prevent cramps and support physical activity. It also helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and promoting heart health. Together, oat bran and bananas make a powerful weight loss team. They complement each other perfectly, providing a balanced mix of nutrients. They provide you with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining good health. They keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. You'll have the energy to power through your day, whether you're working out, going to work, or just enjoying your daily activities. You'll also be getting important vitamins and minerals that support your immune system, improve your skin health, and boost your overall vitality. So, make oat bran and bananas a part of your daily diet, and experience the benefits of this dynamic duo. Section 5. Simple meals, amazing results. The oat bran and banana miracle diet is easy to follow. Here are a few meal ideas. Breakfast, oat bran with sliced bananas and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Lunch, a banana smoothie made with almond milk and a scoop of protein powder. Dinner, grilled chicken breast with a side of steamed vegetables and a baked banana for dessert. These are just a few ideas. Get creative. There are many delicious and satisfying ways to enjoy oat bran and bananas. Section 6. Your journey starts today. The oat bran and banana miracle diet is a simple, effective way to lose weight fast. It is based on two powerful foods, oat bran and bananas. This diet is easy to follow and provides real results. Are you ready to change your life? Start the oat bran and banana miracle diet today. Share your success story with us. Together, we can achieve a healthier and happier you.